Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a car battery in a Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective gear like safety glasses and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly set. This prevents accidental movement or electrical shorts. Next, locate the battery, which is typically found under the hood, often on the passenger side of the engine compartment. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Using a 12mm wrench, carefully loosen the nut on the negative terminal first, marked with a minus sign. Remove the negative cable and set it aside, ensuring it doesn't touch any metal. Then, repeat this process for the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign. Finally, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp or strap, which secures the battery in its tray. With the old battery disconnected, carefully lift it out of the battery tray. Be aware that car batteries can weigh around 30 to 40 pounds, so lift with your legs. Take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Now, gently lower your new battery into the tray, making sure it sits flat and is properly oriented. To connect the new battery, reverse the order. Attach the positive cable to the positive terminal first, then the negative cable to the negative terminal. Use your wrench to tighten both connections firmly, ensuring they are snug but not over-tightened. Double-check that the battery hold-down clamp is secure. Finally, start your Mitsubishi Outlander Sport to confirm the new battery is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.